Hello everyone, how are you? I hope so you have completed the previous work. Okay, very good. Now come to fourth lesson, that is Shivaji's childhood. See, you can see a very beautiful picture of Shivaji's Maharaj's birthplace. It is Shivneri Fort. You must have visited many times, I hope so. And if you have not visited, compel your parents. Tell your parents that after lockdown you can go to Shivneri Fort and just at once you can see the birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, let us come to the lesson. See the first point, birth of Shivaji Maharaj. Those were very unsettled days. Shah Jahan from the north had dispatched a big army to conquer the Dakhan. Pune, the principal town of Shahaji Raje's Jagir, was burned to the ground by Adil Shah of Bijapur. Shahaji Raje was in real trouble. He found himself between the devil and deep sea and was constantly on the run. Okay, unsettled means disturbed. Then means this condition was very poor about Maratha Sardars. Jizabai was pregnant and the great question which worried Shahaji Raje was some place where she could remain in safety and pence. Pence means in a very quiet atmosphere, relaxed mood. Then he remembered the Shivneri fort and decided to send Jizabai there. Shivneri was a strong fort near Junnar in Pune district. It had step cliffs on four sides. Step cliffs means what? Very deep valleys on four sides. Strong fortifications and massive doors. Fortifications means what? Building was surrounded by good one walls and massive doors means big one doors. The strong fort was then in charge of Vijay Raj, a relative of the Bhosles. He agreed to give protection to Jizabai. So Shahaji Raje left her there and marched against the Mughals. And then the golden day dawned. Dawn means what? Came into existence. On the auspicious day of Falgun Vadya Tritiya in the year 1551 of the Shaka era, that is on 19th February 1630, to the sound of pipes and drums playing in the Nagar Khana, Jizabai gave birth to a son. All the resistants of fort were overjoyed. Resistance means what? Those who were living on that fort. On the 12th day, all residents means those who are living on the fort, they were overjoyed. Overjoyed means they became very happy. On the 12th day, with appropriate ceremony, the child was named as Shivaji. The child was born on Fort Shivneri, that is why, and on Shivneri Fort there is goddesses Shivai. With her name only, Shivaji Maharaj got the name as Shivaji. Come to next one point, Shivaji's childhood. Shivaji passed the first 6 years of life in highly unsettled conditions. Even so, Jizabai did not neglect his education. Every evening she would light the household lamps and then call Shivaji to her. She would shower all her affection on him and tell him stories of Rama and Krishna. Affection means love, tremendous love towards the child. Krishna of Bhim and Abhimanyu. On other occasions, she would recite to him the devotional songs of Namdev, Jnaneshwar or Eknath. Recite means to sing. Shivaji liked to listen to the exploits of brave men. Exploits means great works. Shivaji felt that on growing up, he would also display valor like them. Valor, great works. Jizabai used to tell him stories of many pious persons and sons. Pious means good people. That instilled in him a respect and honor for all sons and great men. Children from poor families came to play with Shivaji. Sometimes he visited them in their huts and shared their simple meal of onion and bhakri with great relish. Great relish, great happiness. They invented interesting games to pass the time. The children of the Maulas were like birds in the forest. They would imitate the sounds of cuckoo or parrot or tiger to perfection. Imitate means to make same sounds. Their pastime was building smart forts of the earth and making earthen elephants and horses. They played hide and seek or played with a ball or top. Shivaji joined them in all these games and became popular with them. Shahaji Raje towards the Mughals. Shahaji Raje returned to Nizam Shahi all right, but he did not get any peace of mind there. Nizam Shahi himself was fickle-minded person who readily believed all gossip. Gossip means what? Against to enemy, whatever thinkings are going on. So at that time, when Shivaji Maharaj was growing with Jijamata, Shahaji Raje was not with them. Shahaji Raje was busy with many of the enemies and many of the battles. Hence, many conspiracies and petty rivalries infested the court. This led to killing the Lakhuji Rao Jadhav openly in the court at investigation of Nizam Shah himself. Here, Lakhuji Raje Jadhav is the father of Jijabai. He was working in Nizam Shah's court and he was openly murdered in the court for not to listen or to Nizam Shah. Shahaji Raje could not withstand this. Withstand means bear. He didn't able to bear this, that what has happened suddenly. Infuriated, he left Nizam Shahi and joined the Mughals. Shah Jahan, the Mughal emperor, made him a Sardar at his court. In the meantime, secretly joining hands with the Mughals, Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah. There was complete anarchy in the state. Anarchy means anarchy means disturbed atmosphere in the state. It became evident that Fateh Khan was treacherously planning to enable the Mughals and to swallow Nizam Shahi. Swallow means to take over. In return, the Mughals rewarded him with the territory under the control of Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was enraged and so he left the services of the Mughals. He decided to teach them a lesson using all his might. All his might means all his powers. Come to next one point, second last point of the lesson, that is founding of a new Nizam Shahi. In order to forestall the Mughal emperor and Wazir Fateh Khan, Shahaji Raje found out a child hire from the Nizam's family and on the fort of Pemgiri near Junnar declared him as a new Nizam Shah. Thus, he established an altogether new kingdom which included the territory between the rivers Godavari and Neera. Shahaji Raje fought vigorously to protect this new state. Initially, Adil Shah was with him in these efforts, but later the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan himself marched south upon Shahaji Raje and threatened Adil Shahi. Adil Shah then signed a treaty of friendship with him against Shahaji Raje. Here you will able to see, my dear students, that in Nizam Shahi and Mughal Shahi only many conflicts were there, and that is why many of the Maulas with Shahaji Raje were confused that with whom they should do friendship. Shahaji Raje now began to fight the joint forces of the Mughals and Adil Shah using guerrilla tactics. Guerrilla tactics means without the permission of any of the enemy, suddenly attacks are taking place. That is known as guerrilla tactics. But he could not sustain the war all by himself. In 1636, unwillingly, he signed a treaty of peace with Mughals. He could not create his own kingdom as the times were not favorable for him, but his daring spirit kinded a confidence among the Marathi people. This proved useful for Shivaji in establishing Swaraj a few years later. So see here, Shahaji Raje was wishing to establish Swaraj, but it did not become successful for her. Jizabai's this was the wish to establish Swaraj, but it also did not came into existence. That is why when Shivaji Maharaj has taken birth, after that one immediately Jizabai was thinking that my child should not work in any of the slavery. Without any slavery he should start his kingdom, and according to that only he has taken the teachings, proper path, and in the future he established his own Swaraj, not only for Maharashtra, for India, and afterwards it became not only for India but he became the king of full world. Come to the last point of the lesson, Jizabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. After the downfall of Nizam Shahi established by Shahaji Raje, its territory was divided by the Mughals and Adil Shah amongst themselves. Shahaji Raje's Jahagir of Pune and Supe lay within Adil Shah's share. He gave it to Shahaji Raje on his behalf. Now, Shahaji Raje joined the Adil Shahi services. Adil Shah assigned to him the task of conquering the territories in distant Karnataka far away from Pune. Sometime after the departure of Shahaji Raje to Karnataka, Jizabai and Shivaji also joined him there. Shivaji's childhood in Maharashtra had been very hectic. Hectic means troublesome. He and Jizabai had a rush continuously from one fort to another fort. Rush means to go continuously somewhere. At that time, young Shivaji used to hear the stories of the brave deeds of his father. Jizabai and Shivaji got some peace when they arrived in Karnataka. Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka. Adil Shah awarded him with the Jagir of Bangalore. Shahaji Raje then made the city of Bangalore his headquarters. He lived there with all the trappings of the king and began to summon the court. See here, Shahaji Raje was a great king, but he did not able to establish his own Swaraj. This was a very miserable thing for them, and likewise only his life went in full of the struggle itself. So see my dear students, here we have completed this lesson, Shivaji's childhood. Now after listening this lesson, you will get one PDF of the important points which I will send by. So the PDF you will get after immediately the reading of the lesson, and then exercise also you will get, and in the textbook itself you will get the lines. In that lines answers will be written, so you have to complete the answers in very good handwriting. Hope so after reading the main points you will understand the lesson. Okay, thank you.